Yeah, and an eastern base El Nino,
Rewind
which we
it.
currently have right.
And stop when they get to the part of winter. Is it? That's where it starts.
Wait a minute.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Wait a minute.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Leslie have the winter outlook for the upcoming season. We've been in a bit of a snow drought lately. Below average snowfall 4 of our past 5 winters. 2 of them not even an inch of snow. And it's been warm, above average temperatures 3 of the past 5 winters. Last year ranked our 5th warmest on record. Why? In a big part, La Nina. But this winter will be different. Instead of La Nina, we'll be dealing with the opposite, a moderate to strong El Nino. Now this is warming of the equatorial Pacific waters off the coast of South America.
But all El Ninos are not the same. When the warmest water is located just off the central coast of South America, you call it eastern base. But when that warm water kind of disperses and pushes to the west in the central part of the Pacific Ocean, then you call it central base.
And this is important because the location of El Nino can lead to different atmospheric patterns across the U.S.
Yeah, in an eastern base El Nino, which we currently have right now, you typically see a lot of mild Pacific air quickly moving across the country.
But when you have a more central-based El Nino, the jet stream is able to slow down, allowing larger storms to form. And it's possible to transition from one type of El Nino to another over the course of a winter, and that's certainly something we will be watching.
Yeah, based on the current setup right now, we expect the Pacific jet to dominate early winter, bringing the storms and mild temperatures across a part of the United States, a really good portion of it, unfortunately. However, the polar jet, that is under lock and key well to our north.
But come late January and February, we may see more of a blocking pattern develop, increasing the chances of the polar and the tropical jets meeting up, and that could lead to the threat of nor'easters.
Ooh, snow lovers like that. And here are the key points. While we have some cold snaps, we expect mild air again to win out this entire winter. And with an active storm track nearby, precipitation is going to be above normal.
And the early part of winter looks to be mild and wet. Late winter will give us our best chance of a wintry mix or snow.
And we like to try to use history kind of for a guide as to what other strong El Nino winters brought us. And you know what? It's all over the place, to be honest with you. It has brought some of our snowiest winter seasons, like 09-10, with nearly 79 inches, or the least in 72-73, just a trace of snow.
Yeah, wild card.
Yes.
Thanks to El Nino. So honestly, this gives us a relatively low confidence in our snowfall forecast. You know, we got to be real. The majority of these totals will likely fall in 2 or 3 larger storms, which could make for a near average winter. Here in Philadelphia, we expect 18 to 24 inches. The Lehigh Valley, 30 to 36 inches and 12 to 18 inches along the coast. No matter what Mother Nature brings our way this winter, the AccuWeather team will be here to keep you safe and prepared.
Okay.